Hello everybody, welcome to a new vlog, welcome to a new YouTube video. Today I decided to vlog my day, I don't know why. I'm doing a few days in my life living in Vancouver. Right now I just got out of the shower, I did my skincare routine and I am heading out to the mall to run some errands and get some work done. So I just thought I'll vlog today and show you guys what it looks like, and I'm gonna be getting ready right now, and yeah, I'm going to take you guys along with me. I hope you all like this vlog. If you do give it a thumbs up and let's go.
You say it's hard to tell just what I'm thinking. You think it's hard to see behind my smile. I'll say whatever you want, let you walk into my heart if you want to. You can ask me anything, no walls between us. Ain't no
Hello everybody. I realized I haven't come up here and talked about what's going on, what's happening. So I got interviewed by the Vancouver Police, and guess what? I got accepted, but it's not what you're thinking. I applied for volunteering with the Vancouver Police and I did the whole process, and I had my interview today, as you all saw, and I got accepted. Never in my life ever I thought I'll be working with Vancouver Police, but here we are. And I'm wearing a sweater cause it's getting cold here in Vancouver. By the way, I got accepted and I need to do some formalities like my background check and my fingerprints and stuff in order to get started with the shifts. But on my way back, I stopped at the bookstore. I did not buy anything because I have a long to be read list that needs to be completed before I buy books. But I thought of coming up here and sharing the recent books that I have read in the last month or so. So the first one is Little Darlings by Melanie Golding. The book is about a mother whose two newborn twins gets kidnapped by a lady. The book was very connecting. I don't know if the reason is because the babies were involved, but I got so connected to them. But the ending was not very good. But if you're trying to get into reading again, do give this book a try. It's really good. Really, I would say I was hooked to it and I completed in just 2 days. So yeah, I'll rate this book a solid 7 out of 10. Next one, The Night She Disappeared by Lisa Jewell. Oh my goodness, I completed this book last night and I kid you not guys, this is the best thriller slash mystery book I have ever read in my life. This is going to be added in my favorites list. I love this book so much. It's very obvious from the title. It talks about a girl that gets disappeared. I'm not gonna disclose a lot of information because I think every reader should read this book at least once in their lifetime. All-time favorite. Next one, Ugly Love by Colleen Hoover. This is the book I completed. It took me a lot of time to complete it, but I would say this is the book that got me out of my reading slump. The story is like a romantic story between a girl and her brother's best friend. I would rate this book maybe a 6 out of 10. Not a very great story, just a normal romantic story. So yeah, but do give this a try if you want to get out of reading slump. Yeah, Ugly Love by Colleen Hoover. Next one, Seven Husbands of Evelyn Hugo. Oh my god, out of all the books, I would say this would be my second favorite. I loved this book so much, completed it in 2 days. It's a big book. It's, I would say, yeah, 385 pages, almost to 400 pages. But the story, fab. I haven't read a book like this ever. There are a lot of surprises that comes throughout the book that you can never imagine. It talks about love. It is written over here too. A spellbinding novel about love, glamour, and the price of fame. Do give it a read, and I'll rate this book 8 out of 10 maybe. So yeah, these are the books that I have read, and recently I got gifted this book. It's the 48 Laws of Power. I was meaning to get this book from so long, but for some reason I didn't buy it. But then I got gifted and I am so grateful. I'm so happy. And yeah, I am gonna be starting this book tonight. Let's see how it goes. It's a big book, but I'm very excited to see what's in there. What are the 48 laws of power? And yeah, that was my little book talk slash book haul. And yeah, let's continue with the plot.